So if you got this violation on your Facebook page, I'm going to show you how you can try to get it removed. Hey guys, this is Lester. What we're going to talk about in this video is how to get the limited originality of content violation removed from your Facebook page. If you have received this violation, most likely you're not able to monetize your videos, you're not able to make money from your Facebook page. And this is perhaps the most common violation that Facebook pages are getting. You wouldn't believe how many messages I'm getting on a daily basis on my Instagram from people asking me for help on how to get this violation removed. And yes, I have received this violation on my own Facebook pages multiple times. On some of those pages, I've been able to get them removed. On others, it takes me a few weeks. So if you got this violation right now, there are some simple steps that you can take to try to get it removed. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because 10 months ago, I posted a video on this same topic showing you guys the steps that I took, how I actually submitted a screenshot, and what I did in order to get my violation removed. Facebook has changed a lot over the past few weeks, and so what I'm going to do in this video is show you guys how to actually appeal for this violation, where to find and how to submit your appeal, and some of the things that you can do before you even submit your appeal to try to get that violation removed. Because you want to increase your chances of winning your appeal. I've seen many pages who have submitted appeals and they've been denied because they actually didn't go back on their page and review exactly what caused this violation. So before you even think about submitting an appeal, there are some things that you need to do on your page. Now, before I get into the steps, if you're looking for advanced training on how to build, grow, and monetize Facebook pages, go ahead and check out Facebook Income School in the description below. I have over 600 students who have taken the course. So if you guys want more information about that, go ahead and click the link in the description below. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to review your content. So if you received this violation today, yesterday, over the last few days, you need to go back to your page and check all the content you have posted over the last several days. So I'm talking about probably the last week, because most likely one of those posts caused the violation. Now, if you have a brand new page where you don't have a lot of content, let's say you've been posting only for a month, I would say go ahead and delete all the content from the page before you submit the appeal. This is definitely going to increase your chances of winning the appeal because you're not going to have any content on your page. But if you have an established page with thousands of posts, this might not be the best strategy. So your best strategy would be to go back over the last week and basically check each of those posts to see which ones you didn't actually create and which ones might have triggered that violation. Now, I wish Facebook would actually fix this and tell you which piece of content actually caused the violation, so you can go back and delete it or change it or do something to it, so you didn't actually have to go back and guess to see what post caused the violation. But so far we don't have that option, so your best option is to review your last few posts over the last several days when you receive that violation and try to remove those posts from your page and then actually submit the appeal. And then we go to step number 2, which is to submit the appeal. In this case, it used to be that you would go to a form and then you can submit a screenshot of the violation. And then in my last video, I explained to you guys how you can add some text to that screenshot, so you can add some context and see if you can get it removed. Well, that's no longer an option when it comes to submitting an appeal. So right now, in order to submit an appeal to get that violation removed, you need to go to your Creator Studio under Policy Issues, and where it says the violation, you're gonna see a button that says Learn More. Once you click on that button, a pop-up will open, and then you can just follow the steps to submit your appeal. Typically, Facebook says that it takes anywhere from 3 to 4 days to review your page and see if they can remove that violation and get your monetization back. And you should only submit an appeal after you have done the previous step, which is to review the content over the last several days. So what happens if you get your appeal denied? Well, this is pretty common. Even if you're doing everything right, you can still get your appeal denied. That's because Facebook doesn't actually have a dedicated team to actually check each individual page. Most likely this is done completely automated by a system they have in place. So if you do get your appeal denied, here are some things that you can do. One thing that I know has been working for some people is to unpublish the page. And no, I'm not talking about deleting your page. I'm talking about unpublishing your page for a few days. For some reason, once you unpublish your page, sometimes Facebook resets everything, and once you publish your page back, it has no violation. And again, this doesn't work all the time. It doesn't work for all pages. It has worked for some people. I've tried it myself. It has worked for some pages, and it doesn't work for other pages. So this is something you should definitely try yourself at your own risk. Like I said, you basically unpublish your page for about 72 hours, and then you go back and publish your page again, and then go ahead and check the policy issues to see if the violation is still there or if it allows you to actually submit another review. If that doesn't work for you, then something else that you can try is to change the page category. So if you have a community page, you can change it to a gaming page. If you have a gaming page, you can change it to a video creator page. You're basically changing the category of the page. In some cases, that triggers a reset, and then you can go back and submit another review. As a last resort, if nothing is working, then you can try to reach out to Facebook to see if they can help you. I'm gonna place a link in the description below to my video on how to contact Facebook support and how you can live chat with someone at Facebook. Hopefully, in some cases, they can help you and transfer your case to an agent that can review your page and most likely see if you can get your monetization back. But guys, I know this is quite frustrating. I've dealt with this issue before. I have some pages with this issue right now that I'm trying to resolve. You gotta be patient, and you gotta keep trying to get your violation removed. You can try different things. You can try all the things that I just mentioned. And one of the best things you can do is to always have multiple pages. So in case one loses monetization, you still have another page that you can continue to make money from. That's why when I get this violation on one of my pages, it doesn't really bother me that much because I can spend the time to get it removed, but my other pages are still making money. So by having multiple Facebook pages in different niches, you're not relying on a single page. You can definitely continue to make money from Facebook. And if you want to learn how to grow and monetize Facebook pages in different niches, go ahead and check out Facebook Income School below. With that said, I really hope that this video was helpful. I try to provide you guys with updated information with everything that I know about how to get this violation removed. If you do appreciate this content, make sure you hit the like button below. It's really gonna help me out with this video, and subscribe to my channel. I post videos like this every single week. I talk about making money online, building an online business, and a lot of different topics that you guys might enjoy. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.